Hello. Hello. I have the hiccups. I do, and I've had them for a while. And I gotta say, I'm sick and tired of them. I'm sick and tired of them. I'm sick and tired. And tired of them. And the only way that I've found in the past to get rid of my hiccups is to videotape myself with hiccups. Yeah, I just had a hiccup there. But sadly, this particular time, sadly, for this particular time, my anti-hiccup videotaping skills have not worked. I'm not gonna breathe until the hiccups are done. Not gonna breathe until the hiccups are done. Hiccups are done. La 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 la. Damn. I'm very sad that the hiccups are going away. They should go. Go. Away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, see, for a second there I thought they were gone. Oh well. Bye-bye, Ed. Ed, this is for you. Ed, bye-bye. Bye-bye.